When I wake up, oh, I'm missing you. Oh, I'm kissing you. I'm missing you. Yeah. Work around the clock now. Trying to run the clock out. Pull up to my spot now. And we can run the clock out. Work. Hi. Hello. Hi guys. Welcome back. So I'm sitting on my floor. Don't look at my play school. I'm sitting on my floor and I'm about to get started with doing some inventory check. Our website has it calculates or it keeps up with what we have in stock. However, we also get orders through the app, and the app does not keep up with what we have in stock. So we in turn have to manually go through stuff. So I'm about to do that now. Fun. I have to be honest, I haven't done it in a while. So we'll see how this goes. We will see. I'm gonna turn you guys around so you can see our Excel spreadsheet that we came up with. And yeah, we manually did all of this. So product name, SKU. We don't really have SKUs right now. We have them for some. We started out, but we didn't go through that. So then we have like the size, the color, original stock of things, and then stock that I have at my house, and then stock that Tiffany has at her house, and then the total stock. And I think it calculates it for you. So the current stock, like once we change this will change. And then the cost of what it is. If we do a markup, we haven't done any markups for anything right now. And then the price, what we're selling it for. And then the supplier, where we got it from, and just notes of just whatever we need to remember about it. We also had somewhere where we would start stocking up again. I don't see that. It must have been on another spreadsheet. Anyway, so that's that on that. And I don't know if you want us to go more in depth about that, we can, but it's pretty much to the point. Product name, SKU, size, color, original stock level. You won't need the different stock piles, especially if it's just you. So you can X that out, and then your current stock and price and stuff. It's just for us, helps us to keep up with what's going on. So now I'm going to go through everything that I have here and go from there. So let's get started. Clock now, trying to run the clock out. Pull up to my spot now, and we can run the clock out. Work around the clock now, trying to run the clock out. Pull up to my spot now, and we can run the clock out. Don't like nothing for us, but please do not withhold nothing. The sage is on fire, it's caution, he's bringing the heat. It's another day. Morning. It is very early. It is come on. I need to back up my phone. It's 7:50, okay? I got up around 6:30 because we have a big day today. But first, I woke up, right? And I was like, you know what? Let me get some studying in. All this because I feel like somebody may need it. The good book, okay? Got some studying in just a little bit because we have to prepare for something. And then I'll probably get back to it. Prayed and got my life, right? But it's a big day because maybe sometime last week or the week prior, I saw something on one of our local radio stations pages, and they're doing like by Black Friday, and they wanted Black owned businesses to submit their business, what they do, for a chance to be featured on their show. I did it off a whim. I never get things like this. Don't happen. I never get a response back, or so I did it off a whim, and I totally, when I tell you I totally forgot about it, I forgot about it. So on Tuesday, I think it was Tuesday, I had a DM on our Instagram page, and it said, we sent you an email, you've been chosen. So I was like, what are you talking about? Well, I forgot about it. So I went to her email, and then it was this whole list of, or just this whole message of, congratulations, you are the first to be featured. I need to learn how to look right there. So I'm sorry if it seems like I'm looking here, because I am, but I need to look there. So it's just telling us, congratulations, you've been featured. You'll be the first featured Black-owned business on a radio station. So we do an interview. It's a really quick interview, like no more than 5 minutes, if that. But it's just a chance to be featured and for us to get our business out there. And so I'm excited. So that's happening in about 8 minutes. So we've submitted questions that we wanted to answer. So I need to go over them again, because I'm going to say, it's like I get nervous. Do you want to hear the questions that we submitted? So now by the time that you see this, it had already been happened. We weren't supposed to speak about it until it happened, which I'm all for, because I'm like all for secrecy. Not really secrecy, sort of, but privacy. So until things are solid, until it's like in the ground solid. So questions we chose were, where did this idea come from? How did you think of this? So that's first question. And how does it work exactly is the next question. What type of products do you sell? Are you guys working on anything special right now? And how do people find you? So, oh my God, it's so exciting, and it's very early, so I had to wake up and get my voice together, because I didn't have to go to work today. I have to teleworking today, so get my voice together, make sure that I'm up and at for radio. So it'll be taped, so we're not going to be live on the radio, but it'll play later. I know a little bit about radio. So I just want to share that with y'all, that this is the day. And so it's really exciting. So I'm going to let you hear a little bit of the interview. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Bye-bye.
To bring you by Black Friday, we will be featuring Black-owned everything every Friday, forever, ever. And today, Joe, we are featuring Bagged Beauty Delivery. Bagged Beauty Delivery. Listen, true dopeness from two queens of the village, Crystal,
she got my name right too,
and Tiffany Stone, who are joining us right now. Good morning, ladies. Good morning. Tiffany, Crystal, can we start with how we got to Bagged Beauty Delivery? You know that struggle when
people start following us.
You're like, is this enough hair? Is this not enough hair? Is this enough rubber bands? Whatever. So we would almost always run out. And by that time, it's like the beauty supply stores are closed. And we're just kind of like, have to wait some party or whatever. And it was just kind of like, I wish there was a way we could just get a thank you us, like the same day as I have to run back out with your hair at the supply store. So that was just kind of where the idea came from. The wheels just kind of kept turning from there. And then we got to start that. Do y'all got lustrous pink lotion?
No.
Not yet, but we'll add it. to my home. Yeah, they have on-demand delivery service. So think of any on-demand delivery service that will be there. I can't thank y'all enough for bringing this dopeness. You know how many times I had to do a rap and a hat?
Not a rap and a hat.
So one more again, how can folks pour into you? So you can just follow our Instagram. It's baggedbeauty delivery, BACCE beauty delivery. And that'll point you in the direction of our.
Oh my God, we getting so many follows. Oh my God.
There, and follow. Somebody tweeted, "Are y'all hiring?" Because they got a car. That's dope, bro. That's dope.
Oh my God. Okay, I gotta go because I want to go. Bye.
No, we are still very small. We would love to be in the position to hire other people because we really want to grow this and help grow our community at the same time. But stay posted. Stay posted, everybody. I got one last question. Y'all have anything for bald spots? Oh my God. Do you have anything? Come on, man. You talking about your rapping a hat? So, why can't you tell me for bald spots? Oh, that's funny to y'all.
Okay. Whew. Let me call him Zell. I'm sorry. I don't know if y'all could have heard it, but it was so cool. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, I don't even know what to say, but I'm like really anxious, nervous. I'm not anxious, but just like excited and jittery. I need to make a smoothie. I'm gonna make a smoothie. I thought I did this thing.